Hello, welcome. Friend, in this video, we are going to talk about Accenture interview experiences. So there are many various students who appear for the Accenture interview and they share their experiences with us. So we decided that we will create separate videos where we explain you and we'll discuss about the interview questions, whatever they have asked in their interview. So let's begin. So before going to start, I request you to, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to like this video. If you find this video helpful, share this video with your friends. Let's begin. So here you can see that as we know that whenever we are saying that interview, it's started with the introduction. In introduction, they simply ask that just they describe about yourself, like what kind of technical skills you have or anything, like what's the project you have done, all the details. So the same as in Accenture, they started with the self-introduction. Once self-introduction done, another questions ask that any one of your project which you have done in your college. So obvious in our college time, we are working on the projects, we develop various projects and it's the same we are mentioning in CV. So the second question, more of the important question they ask that the project about the projects. So here you have to explain the about the projects and all, how many team members were there, what's the length of the project, how you have completed technology used for the project, each and everything related to that. If you want that, I need to create separate videos where I will explain you how you can explain about projects and all. Do comment, we'll try to create separate videos on that. So the next question is that who motivate you to do the project? Obvious they are asking about that one. So there can be the different answer for that. My senior suggested me that I go through that. I found that kind of scenarios. My teacher, that kind of things you can add over there. So the next question is that challenges faced while doing the project. Obvious, whenever we are working on project, developing the things, we are getting issues, we are getting the challenges. So that kind of challenges you have to explain. So why they are asking that kind of questions? The simple reason behind asking that one, they want to know that do you have the really the person who created the project or who work on that. The first point, the second point of that asking that kind of question is that they want to check your communication skills, that you are able to explain them that the answer whatever you have worked on that or not, that kind of things. The next question they ask that what potential problems has made you to be a better person. So that kind of the simply with the in Accenture they taken technical part in the assessment, online assessment. So in interview they went for the HR and manager role only. So there they ask that your about your hobbies, about yourself, that how you are preventing yourself and all. So the next question is that they ask that how will you divide work and assign it to your teammates. So while working on the project, that kind of things we have to explain, that while working on the project we have different tasks, we divided the task in our teammates, ask that what kind of teammates is going to do what kind of task and all, that kind of things you can explain. The next question they ask, have you done any certification or training in your domain? So it's saying that in your master degree or in your bachelor's, what kind of training do you have created, completed, or you are working on things, any courses you have learned, new technologies and all that kind of things they are asking in the interview. The next and the most important, they are asking hobbies. So what is your hobbies, what you are doing in the free time and all. And the last question they are asking, do you have any other question for me? Obviously you can ask related to the project, related to the company growth and all, so that they can be like know that okay they here excited and all. So in last, once you will done with the interview, that the actual time is for getting the result. Yes, obvious, in within the 15 days of your interview you will get your result, and hopefully you will get result as selected. And obvious, just put your comment and provide the details when you have done your interview, when you have completed your assessment and all. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other queries, you can make a comment on that. We will try to reach you and try to solve all your queries. Thank you so much again.